I'm gonna show you how to download and install the latest version of WinRAR on your Windows 11 PC. So before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. I'm going to go ahead and open up my browser here. And once you're in your browser, for example, google.com, all you have to do is just simply type in the WinRAR and you just need to type downloads. It will take you to a Google search. And as you can see here, the top of the list, you have the win-rar.com. This will take you to the original website of WinRAR. So you can go there. And right here at the top, you see that you have those different versions, right? So you have quite a lot of different versions here that you can choose from. They're in various languages. So you can go ahead and install the one based on the languages that you want. So as you can see, there are quite a lot of different languages from different countries, and you just need to go ahead and find the one. And as you can see, these are all 64 bits. So you can simply go ahead and find those. So if you're currently running 64-bit, you can easily go ahead and download that version. Now at the top here, if you're looking for just the English version, you can simply go ahead and download from here. You don't have to search for it in the list to do it. However, if you're looking for other languages, you can just go through the list here. Now I'm going to simply click on this download here. Nice big blue button there. And as you can see, it quickly downloaded for me. And you can simply click on this exe from here, or you can go to the file explorer. And as you can see, it is in my file explorer, and I can simply double click and run it. Now this is going to run in administrative privilege because it requires that to install it. And as you can see, I now have it here. So all I have to do is just simply click on install. And from here, it has a bunch of different options. So I can choose the associated WinRAR with, and I can just leave it as is, or I can check all the boxes if I want this to work. You can also add icon on your desktop. You can also add it to start menu, which I can add that if I want. And you can also create a WinRAR program group if you so desire as well. So just go ahead and click on OK once you're satisfied, and just simply click on done. And that's it. It is installed on your computer and you can easily use it. Now to prove that it's installed, you can simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or in the taskbar, and you can simply type in the WinRAR. And if I type in WinRAR, you can see that I know of the application there, and I can open it. And as you can see, it is there. Now you don't have to worry about the pop-up. It is basically telling you that you can pay for it if you want to buy it as well, but free version is more than amazing that you can use. So you can click this off and you can utilize the WinRAR as is. Now that's it guys. That's all. You can easily go ahead and download and install WinRAR on your Windows 11 PC. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.